Hello, future gazers and tech enthusiasts. Dr. Smart here, welcoming you to the wireless future. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. You see 5G pop up on your phone, and you think, great! My cat videos will load faster, maybe. But what if I told you that 5G is not just about making your internet zip? What if it's about so much more? In today's episode, our dynamic duo, Sam and Yan, are tackling the ultimate question, is 5G just faster internet? They'll be diving deep into why your phone sometimes feels slow even with 5G, how it's designed to banish online gaming lag forever, and whether it can finally save your selfies from the dreaded no-service black hole at packed events. Get ready to have your tech assumptions challenged, your curiosity piqued, and maybe even a chuckle or two. The future of connectivity starts now.
Sam, I don't get it. Everyone keeps talking about 5G, how it's the future, how it's super duper fast. But half the time, my phone still buffers when I'm trying to watch cat videos. Is 5G just a marketing trick for faster internet? Because if so, I'm going to demand my money back in tiny, slow increments.
Yan, the classic 5G conundrum. It's a question many people ask, and it's a great starting point for our journey into the wireless future. So, is 5G just faster internet? The short answer is, absolutely not. It's like saying a supercar is just a faster horse.
A faster horse? But my old phone barely managed to load a GIF. Now with 5G, it loads a whole video in seconds, sometimes. That feels like the biggest difference. Okay, Sam, if 5G isn't just about speed, then what is it, actually? What makes it so different from 4G besides the numbers?
Excellent question, Yan. Think of it this way, 4G was like a very efficient, but still limited, single-lane highway for your data. It got you places, pretty quickly sometimes, but if everyone jumped on it once, traffic jams were inevitable.
Like when I'm late for work but my building has only one lift, then everyone decides to leave at the exact same minute. Total chaos.
Exactly. Now, 5G is not just about making that single lane faster. It's about building a brand new, multi-lane superhighway system with smart traffic management. We're talking about 3 major improvements, not just one. You could call them the 3 musketeers of 5G, but instead of swords, they have gigabits. Improvement 1, eMBB, Enhanced Mobile Broadband, the speed you already notice, sometimes. This is the one you already interact with, Yan. Yes, 5G can deliver incredibly fast speeds, significantly faster than 4G. We're talking theoretical peak speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second. That's like downloading a full HD movie in seconds, not minutes.
Seconds? My life would be complete. So why doesn't it always feel like that? Is my phone just being lazy?
Not lazy, but the type of 5G matters. There's low-band 5G, which is similar in speed to good 4G but with better coverage. Then there's mid-band, a good balance. And then there's the super-fast millimeter wave 5G, which is like that super-fast express lane, but it has a shorter range and struggles to go through walls. It's great for stadiums or busy city centers. So, if your phone says 5G but you're not getting those insane speeds, you might be on a different lane of 5G, or the highway isn't fully built out in your area yet. It's still a work in progress.
So, like, some 5G is still wearing training wheels? I get it. You know, I've seen those 5G signs pop up everywhere, but sometimes my phone still feels like it's stuck in the slow lane. Have any of you experienced that too? Let us know in the comments if your 5G feels super speedy or still a bit sluggish. Okay, so super speed for some things. But what about when I'm trying to play my online game and I get completely obliterated because of lag? Does 5G fix that?
Yan, the dreaded lag monster. This brings us to our second big improvement, which is arguably even more transformative than raw speed, URLLC, ultra-reliable low-latency communications. The nearly instant response time. Latency is the time it takes for your phone to send a signal to the network and get a response back. With 4G, That's typically around 20 to 50 milliseconds. Doesn't sound like much, but in a fast-paced online game, that's the difference between hitting your target and getting turned into digital dust.
The digital dust is real, Sam. It haunts my dreams.
With 5G, we're talking about latency as low as 1 millisecond. That's virtually instantaneous. Imagine doing a video call where it feels like the person is right there, with no awkward delays. Or playing a game where your character reacts exactly when your finger presses the button.
So, 5G is basically giving me superpowers for gaming? No more excuses for losing. My team is going to love me.
Beyond gaming, this low latency is critical for things like remote surgery, where a surgeon can operate on a patient hundreds of miles away with no perceptible delay, or for autonomous vehicles, where cars need to communicate with each other in traffic signals in real time to avoid collisions. No lag means no crashes, hopefully.
Wait, so my car will talk to traffic lights? Like, hey, stop sign, what's up? I'm coming through. That's wild. And a surgeon operating from, like, the moon? My mind is blown. The idea of a car talking to a traffic light, or even remote surgery, sounds pretty sci-fi, right? What other futuristic applications of super low latency can you imagine? Drop your most creative, or craziest, ideas in the comments below. My phone always says no service at huge events like festivals or football matches. Even if I can connect, it's super slow. Is 5G going to make concert going a better experience for my Instagram stories?
You've hit on the third, and equally crucial, pillar of 5G, mMTC, massive machine-type communications. 4G networks could handle thousands of devices per square kilometer. Sounds like a lot, right? But at a packed concert or a stadium with 80,000 people all trying to stream, upload, and text at once, that capacity gets swamped. It's like trying to get a drink at a bar with everyone elbowing each other.
Been there, done that, lost my signal in the chaos.
5G is designed to handle up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. That's 1,000 times more capacity than 4G. This means that at your concert, your phone will actually work, and your Instagram stories will upload instantly.
Yes! No more missed selfies because the network decided to take a nap. So 5G is basically a super efficient party planner for all our phones?
Precisely. And it's not just phones. This massive capacity is what enables the Internet of Things, where everything from smart toasters and fridges to city sensors, industrial robots, and even your pet's smart collar can connect to the network without overwhelming it. Imagine a city where bins tell the council when they're full, or where traffic lights intelligently adjust real-time traffic flow.
So, my toaster could tell my fridge it's running low on bread, and my fridge could order more? My house is going to become sentient. This is both amazing and slightly terrifying.
So, Yan, while the faster internet is definitely a shiny, noticeable perk, 5G is so much more. It's the foundation for a truly connected future, enabling things that 4G simply couldn't handle. It's about ultra-low latency, massive capacity, and a whole new world of applications we're only just beginning to imagine. It's not just faster, it's smarter, more responsive, and vastly more capable.
So, it's not just a faster horse, it's a whole new stable with flying horses, self-driving carriages, and magical teleportation portals for my cat videos. I think I get it now, Sam. My phone's not lazy, it's just waiting for the rest of the 5G superhighway to be built.
Exactly. And that, Yan, is just the beginning of the wireless future.
What was the most surprising thing you learned about 5G today? And what wireless tech are you most excited or worried about for the future? Let us know in the comments below, and maybe we'll cover it in a future episode of The Wireless Future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech adventures.
Well, wasn't that an enlightening ride with Sam and Yan? We've unraveled the mystery of 5G, proving once and for all that it's far more than just a speed boost. We've learned that beyond the blazing fast downloads, 5G's true superpowers lie in its ultra-low latency, making lag a thing of the past for everything from gaming to remote surgery, and its massive capacity, which means your phone might actually work at that next big concert. It's laying the groundwork for a world where your car talks to traffic lights and your smart home devices are in a constant, seamless conversation. So, the next time you see 5G on your screen, remember, you're not just connected to a faster internet, you're connected to the very fabric of our evolving, intelligent world. And this is just the beginning of our journey into the wireless future. Join us next time for more tech adventures.